Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Here it comes again, I promise, man, I'm really getting tired. Cause I'm once again considering I really should retire. The struggling artist thing, it's just getting really old. Cause this industry to me has been nothing but pretty cold. I'm locking the door and throwing away the key. No more microphones, man, get them away from me. Cause if you've been through what I've been through, you'd see why I'm being resentful. No, I'm doing what I'm meant to, but I'm starting to be mental. Doesn't break me, makes me smarter. Doesn't kill me, makes me harder. If it continues taking longer, I'll no longer even bother. Cause it's all for the love and it's all for the thrill. But at the end of the day, rhymes just don't pay the bills. So yeah, hip-hop, I'll be here tomorrow. But if you continue with the sorrow, I'll be saying sayonara. But it's all good cause life goes on. The spotlight's off, the curtain's drawn, and they're all gone. And I gotta
make it. I gotta make it, my niggas. I gotta make it, man. I gotta take it, this chance. I gotta make it. I gotta break in this industry. Gotta take it, this chance. It's gonna break me, but I know I gotta make it. Yes, I'm gonna make it, this chance. I'm gonna take it. Oh, I'm gonna make it. I know it. I'm gonna make it. I gotta make it. I gotta take it. Oh, I gotta make it, my nigga.
This industry is always looking for the next best. And if they haven't found their best yet, then I'm their best bet. The same industry that's been dissing and ditching me got a huge gap. It doesn't know it's missing me. It's been my only dream ever since I learned to talk this way. And I'd rather crawl towards it if I had to walk away. So everything I'm doing, shit, of course is for me. It's always been that way. I'm all the support that I need. If I get killed from anything I say, it's alright. Cause I'll never write anything anyone tells me to write. Plus I welcome any obstacle that breaks a brother down. Cause it'll get me the first, but not the second time around. To those who told me to forget rap and get a life, they just don't get it right. They're telling me forget my life. And if you don't like me, shit, it don't matter to me. Cause without rap, all I'm left with is a shadow of me.